Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'd like to show you guys how to draw King Ghidorah as a Pokemon. So I've been having a lot of fun trying to draw some of these different Godzilla characters and different things like Pokemon and all that. So I thought the Ghidorah one would be a lot of fun. So we're going to make him kind of look like he'd be a dragon type of Pokemon. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting here, I'm just going to make a little circle. And then I'm going to put a pupil right up here. Now, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and then it's going to go down like this. And then I'm going to bring this line back and then kind of curve it underneath. Then I'm just going to kind of fill in this little bit of space right here to make it look like it's kind of dark. Then, right up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then it's going to come down like this. And then I'm going to draw a little line that curves up and down, and then it's going to come back around here for the nose. Then over here, I'm going to make another line that goes up and down just for the other part of the eye that we can't see. Then I'm going to take this line of the mouth and I'm just going to kind of curve it down and then up and then down again. And then I'm going to open it up really wide like this so it's open really far. Then I'm just going to curve this line back up here. And then I'm going to add some pointy lines in here for some teeth. And I'm going to do that on the top and the bottom. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down and up, and then it's just going to go all the way up to here. And then right up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and then it's going to come down and then up like this for one of the horns. And then I'm going to add a couple little spikes right around here, just to kind of give it that Ghidorah feel. Then I'm going to draw another line that just kind of curves up and then down here for another one of the spikes. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line for the nose. Now for the neck, I'm going to start here and just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around to here. Then I'm going to start here and draw a line that's going to do that same thing. I want to keep it nice and wide around here. I don't want it getting too close together. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve right around here, kind of like right in the middle. Now I want to put another head over here. So I'm going to do that same thing, just draw a line that just kind of curves down like this, and I'm going to come back. Put a circle in here with a little dot, and then color this part in. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up and then down, and then it's going to go do the same thing. Then I'm just going to make the mouth come back. I'm going to kind of go down, up, and then down again. Then we'll draw the mouth down like this, give it that pointy chin, and then curve up here. Now starting up here, you want to draw a line that goes up and then down for the horn, and then it's just going to kind of curve back. And then we can give him those kind of spike shapes again. Then for this neck, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to go up like this. And then starting up here, just kind of do the same thing, go down and then up and let it run right into this one. And then I want this to be a little bit bigger, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a smaller line right around here, and then this can be like the bottom part of the neck. Then I'm going to add some little pointy lines in here for some teeth. And I'm going to make a little curved line like this for his tongue. And I'll do a little curved line for the nostril. Now I want to put the last head over here. So what I'm going to do is kind of start the same way, draw a line that goes down and up for the eyebrow. Little circle, and then draw a little line right here. It's already kind of filled in for us, so we can add a little bit more black. And then put the pupil in there. And then this one, I'm just going to start up here, go up, and then down for the eyebrow. Go up and then down like this for the mouth, and then I'm just going to come back, kind of curve up, and then down again. Draw a line that just kind of curves down, and then comes back up. Give that pointy chin, and then curve it up, and then just kind of form the spikes right here. And then we'll add that long pointy horn on top, and then we'll add one more over here. Then on this one, I'm going to start the neck here, and I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves in, and then it's just going to go down to here. And then this part's just going to start here. It's going to run right into this neck. It's going to come out of here and then go down. And then I'm just going to make a little line right down here for the different part of the neck. Then we'll give him his nose, some teeth, and I'll draw a little curved line in here for the tongue, and I'll do that up here because I forgot to give him a tongue. Okay, so now we want to add some of the details onto here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line down here, and then I'm going to connect it to here, just so we can see where the necks are connected. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve in, and it's going to go down. And then I'm going to curve this one out really far, and then it's going to come right up here to this neck. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that curves down. And then I'm going to make a line that kind of curves around to here for a leg. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down here, and I'm going to make 3 pointy toes on here. Then I'm going to curve it up here, and then draw another line that curves to here. Do the same thing over here, just draw a line that's going to curve out and then down. Line that curves down and then comes back, and I'm going to curve this to here. And then just draw a line that comes down to here for the leg. And then I'm just going to add a couple toes on the edge here. Now, to make the tail, I'm just going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve out to here, and then it's going to come back to about there. Draw another curve up here, make it go a different direction, and then curve it all the way back towards the body. Then I'm just going to give this kind of like a little diamond shape at the end, just to make it a little different. Go right up here to this one's face. And then I'm going to add a little circle inside of here, just to make it look a little different and unique. Now for the wings. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just kind of go out, up, and then I'm just going to put a little claw at the end. I'm going to keep these wings kind of small, so I'm just going to kind of curve it down, and then bring it back up here. I'm going to then just kind of curve this down, and then bring it back. And then I'm just going to make a line that goes up, down, up, and then it's going to come right back here. Now we don't have much room for the wing on this side, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of tuck it back here. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes out here past the tail, put that little hook on the end, make a line that goes out, and then it's going to go down. We'll have it kind of pop out behind the tail. Bring it back up, and then just kind of follow that line back to here. And then we'll just draw a little line that just kind of curves up to here, up, and then just kind of goes into here. Now, with this line right here, I'm just going to bring it right down to here and then have it connect to this one. And then I'm going to bring this line down just to here. Then I'm going to connect this line down and then bring this one right to here. And then I'm just going to add some little spikes on the back of the necks of each of these little Ghidorah guys. So I'm going to put some spikes on each one. This one you won't see as many. And then I'm just going to make some little kind of curved lines that go right around here for some details on the body. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this one, just kind of put these little curved lines. Then on here too, I'm going to kind of curve these down. And then as I get here on the body, I'm going to kind of curve these across like this. We can add some little lines kind of going down the wings. If you can fit them in on this side, go right ahead and do that there. I'm going to add a little line that runs down the tail, and then I'm going to put a few more curved lines on here just to show some different details of it. We won't do any on that one. And then finally I'm going to put some little curved lines onto the claws of each of these toes. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Pokemon King Ghidorah. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.